Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an image inside of Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to mail.google.com, sign into your account. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Compose. Now I'm just going to drag a file into here, so this image for this demonstration. Now to hyperlink this image to whatever, go ahead and highlight that image, and at the bottom of the page it's going to say insert link. So click on insert link. Now we want to go ahead to remove or change it, but just click on change. We can change the alt text, so I'm just going to change this to artwork, and then from here we can change the hyperlink. So I'm just going to put in google.com and then hit apply. Now from here you can see that's going to, once we click it, it's going to say go to link google.com, and also if you want to see the alt text, go ahead and click on it, click on edit alt text, and here it is here, so you can see artwork. Now you can go ahead and send that, and then yeah, that's going to work just as it should, hyperlinking inside of your composed mail.